Hi, this is Grandpa. I'm doing a video, actually a series of them, on building a computer. I'm going to start with the preparation of the case. So I'll start by opening the box, taking a look at it. Here we go. I'm going to help me turn this box up. And put it over there. Right here. Could you put this there? And thank you.
This feels weird.
What's that?
This feels weird.
Okay, I got a little literature. I'll look at it a little later. Take this off.
What's happening to my ear?
What's that? Let's turn this case around so we can look at it. That's what it looks like. So I'll start with, I'm going to take off these side panels. Yeah, I remember when I first started working on computers, they didn't have these little finger type nuts. You had to use a screwdriver and everything. This is kind of handy having these kind of hand type screws. So now I gotta put these away. Make sure I don't lose them. Keep this little case here. Okay, now slide these off. Okay, that's inside the case. There's a little box with all the nuts and screws and stuff in it. Let's take a look, see what's in here. Cool. Got some wire ties. Like 6 of them. I'll need a lot more than that though. I got some. Yeah, a bunch of screws. Let's see. Be able to use these for mounting the